Go say hi. Go say hi.
Okay.
Jameson.
Where's your money?
What?
How's your money?
It had a penny?
Yeah.
The crow stole a penny, huh?
Yeah.
Here.
Stop doing it. I don't want
You got your stick.
Yeah.
He stole your stick.
This is a bigger one. Longer.
Let's go say hi.
No, I'm not allowed alone.
He leaves me alone.
Now. Yeah.
What's he doing? What? What? He's eating your stuff? It's okay, I'm right here. Look, he's not gonna get you. He's not gonna get you. He's not gonna get you. Hey, hey, no. Hey, don't hit him. Be nice. He's just a crow. Let him chew up. He likes to chew up sticks.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. They're up. My holy stick.
Get him? He just likes to play. Hey, crow.
That's some yellow on him.
What?
That's some yellow on him.
He's got yellow? Yeah, I know. What is that about? Somebody gave him baby food.
No. It's from the paint.
Who got him yellow?
Neil from the... Yeah.
He painted the crow?
No. He painted the desk and he took the paintbrush away.
The crow took the paintbrush?
Oh my god! Look at him! Look at him! He's so down!
Oh, Mr. Crow.
You're never getting out!
He's got your stick.
No. Yeah.
Be gentle. You don't want to hurt him.
That's it. Dad, already touched me. No.